It's not easy, but it's simple. Win everything we can. We want to be competitive. We're looking to make the playoffs this year as well. We'll do everything we can, and we never look forward or backwards.
Good chance to cross, it's lifted in, Kojima! Lifted into that area from Herrera, and Kojima on the volley, beyond Stefan! This is come to life!
In Japanese youth football, we're all taught to bow before and after the game. It's about respect. At the end of the day, we're all human beings and to respect each other, respect the field. But for me, it's also a symbolic thing of, not forgetting where I came from and, always going back to the roots.
For lack of better words, this guy's crazy, man. He shows up to the facility at like 6 a.m. every morning. The guy's sitting in the breakfast lunchroom with his iPad or his computer out, watching film nonstop.
Just across, it's lifted in, Kojima!
It was a header. I was thinking I didn't really have to almost like strike it with my head, if that makes sense. I just had to redirect it a little bit. So I knew I was wide open and, I just flicked it and then I celebrated for the fans. So that was really fun.
We have individual meetings, whether it's defenders, sixes, and this guy sits in on every meeting. He doesn't have to. The coaches don't ask him to. He wants to, though. He wants to be a part of it. He wants to see what every group is working on, what every group's being talked about.
Intensity was really high, especially in preseason. But it's also mental, so the IQ side of it comes in, so the mental fatigue comes in as well. So it's been fun to try to adapt, to the IQ side of things as well. My family's always taught me to focus on small details, no matter how small. An example is like, you eat a bowl of rice, you shouldn't ever leave 1 grain of rice in the bowl. It's the same thing on the field, and if you skip or cut corners even a little bit, it will bite you back. So details and discipline.
Jose's been really versatile. Number one, I think he's played at a few different positions, and in each of those positions, he's been able to fill that role in a really positive way. Whenever we press, I think he has a lot to do with us being successful, and then I've been really happy about seeing him be productive too. He's got a couple of goals and a couple of assists now. I think he's been really complete this year as a player, and we need that from him going forward.
I see pressure as a good thing. I see it as a privilege. Not everybody has that type of pressure. I like to say I perform better under pressure, and I usually don't perform well when I don't have pressure. I try to have that inner drive in me. Whenever I need external motivation, think about my family and my girlfriend and everybody that has supported me throughout my journey. I just want to do everything I can to represent Japan, especially throughout this league, and hopefully as the league gets bigger. I want people to remember that there were Japanese players that played in this league and in this country.